The word applied really stood out for me because that's exactly what I was looking for, something that would take me beyond the theoretical. I chose to attend the Applied AI for Professionals program at SFU because I wanted to really understand AI, but not just understand it theoretically, but to really understand it from a practical standpoint. It made things immediately more tangible and more relevant for me. Something that might have taken me, hours and hours of time to repurpose and rethink about how to just pull it all together. By feeding it the template, teaching it the rules, the boundaries, I was able to create, a first draft report in literally minutes. We are utilizing AI in safe and responsible ways. And the tools that I have learned is something that I can bring into the work that we're doing with our teams now that I would not have had before taking the course.